Welcome to the B.E.G exhibition stand. I'm standing here in front of the Auditorium, our application example from the school sector. Here, we would like to show you the possibilities when rooms are to be used for several purposes. Right now, the premises are divided into two separated areas, so that they can be used as two ordinary classrooms during the day. By pressing the push buttons, you can see the first push button is used to control the main lighting in one classroom, while the second push button is used to switch blackboard lighting on and off. On the other end, the same procedure applies to the second classroom. One push button is used to control the main lighting and the other to switch the blackboard lighting on and off. In addition, the sensors can be used to implement daylight-dependent control or automatic switch off to save even more energy. For an evening event, the premises should be used differently. Spectators are expected for whom space is needed. Therefore, the partition wall is opened and the premises are used as a whole. This is simulated using this switch. The graphic now shows a seating arrangement, in other words, the audience area. This means that group formation for lighting has now also changed. When the first push button for the front is pressed, the stage lighting can now be switched on and off. The lighting for the audience area can be dimmed, so when the audience comes in, they can still see where they can sit down. At the start of the performance, a scene can be used to adjust the spotlight lighting as required. However, the push button at the back of the room is now deactivated, which means that nothing happens when it's pressed. The reason for this is to prevent the performance from being disrupted, for example by an audience accidentally switching on the lighting.